Hello Mirilearners, welcome to this new video. I'm Miriam and today we are going to see the answers of the video Irregular Verbs. Let's start. So here what you had to do was to complete the columns. Remember, you have to study all the 3 columns to know the irregular verbs. Let's see them. Make, made, made. Ride, rode, ridden. Choose, chose, chosen. Dream, dreamt, dreamt. Go, went, gone. Fly, flew, flown. Sleep, slept, slept. Spend, spent, spent. Understand, understood, understood. Wear, wore, worn. Be, was, were, been. Become, became, become. Remember, was is for third person in the singular, and were for the rest of the subjects. Remember, some of these irregular verbs follow a pattern. Try to study these 3 columns every day. Please click on the like, por favor dale a me gusta, suscríbete, subscribe, para saber cuando subo mis próximos vídeos, for you to know when I upload my next videos, and see you in the next video. Nos vemos en el próximo video. Thank you, bye bye.